So, in here we have some green slopes and some of these grey slopes. Have a bunch of these clear pieces for the waterfall. Have a few of these more pieces for the waterfall along with these angled tan slopes. We've got a bunch more grey slopes. Got some other pieces for landscape. More slopes. More translucent pieces and these angled plates. Got some more plates. And finally we have some other random pieces and some plates and angle plates.
Anyway guys, that's going to be all the progress for this week. I really hope you enjoyed. I got a lot done and I did a new sort of video style with less talking and more just building and nice cinematic shots. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and peace out.